All right, guys, I know I promised you a new video tonight, and I'm going to give you some trailer teaser stuff of the video that's coming, season 1, episode 1. I just couldn't get it done. I really wanted to bring you guys an amazing video of amazing content of the stuff that we've been doing since we've been on our break, and I just couldn't do that tonight. So the plan is I'll bring it to you guys next Tuesday, July 13th. I just couldn't get it done tonight. I want to say I'm sorry. I really appreciate everybody hanging out and watching this 30 seconds of video here. Here are some sneak peeks of the stuff that is coming. I'm telling you, it's going to be a ton of fun. All right, guys.